So is there a button on there that unmagnetizes it then?
Yes.
That's pretty cool.
It's an electric button or a switch that turns it on and off. And what it actually has to, when you release, it actually has to send a charge the opposite direction to throw this stuff off. Otherwise, the steel would stay magnetized.
Ah.
So it actually has what they call a drop coil. So it energizes the magnet in the opposite direction to throw the metal off.
Throw it back down.
Yeah.
You're like a pro in there.
That's the best part of the job. You destroy the thing and get paid for it. Now I do have a set of blades for it, bolts and everything, and seal kit for me, so I do have all that stuff. I'm fine. I just took over in July maintenance, so I'm still finding things. So there's a good possibility I could find more.
Do you guys have a like a manual for this or no?
Yeah, I got all that stuff in
Okay,
the office.
cool.